Hello guys! Part 2! Lang. So part 2 na to, diba? Yung ginagawa kong mapa. Alam niyo yung K-pop Demon Hunters? K-pop Demon Hunters, alam niyo yan. Pag alam niyo, wow! Gusto mo kantahin ko? I-make ako ng video na kumakanta ko ng golden or ano, iba-iba. Basta yung alam ko lang please. And again, even though I don't know how to believe I was a queen, I was meant to be. I live to fly, should have played both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Got a problem child, cause I got to fly, but that's how I'm gonna get there to the stage. Ang dami kong kalat. Nasa room lang ako. Ako lang mag-isa. Wala. Kita niyo? Huwag niyo minyan. Don't track me down. Joke lang. Pag dinir mo ko, puntan mo man ako. Tayo. Huwag niyo lang yun. That's how I'm gonna get famous to the stage. I'm an idol, shining like a wanna be. Cause we are voices. Nagpa-practice ba ako dun? Let's go sa sunod. Malapit na matapos ito. So, wait for part 3. Inintay ko kayo. Iniintay nyo ko. But that's how I'm gonna get paid. On the stage, I'm the hide. Bye!